Hello everyone! Today, we follow a skilled outdoor craftsman as he builds a natural shelter deep in the woods, using only raw materials and hand tools. He starts by erecting large, sturdy wooden posts, strategically placed at the corners and key load-bearing points of the structure. He places horizontal wooden posts to frame the roof beams. He moves on to crafting a staircase. This is no ordinary staircase, daughter. It is entirely handmade using small, vertically placed logs as steps. The steps are made from precisely cut wooden discs, stacked and arranged in a way that blends perfectly with the forest environment. Once the steps are shaped, the craftsman fills the gaps with soil and compacts them, enhancing both stability and grip underfoot. For the exterior walls, he uses a clever method of waterproofing. A blue tarpaulin is laid out as a lining, acting as a moisture barrier and keeping the interior dry when it rains. This clever addition showcases the subtle blend of natural and synthetic materials in outdoor construction. From start to finish, every stage of the project was done by hand. No power tools were used. The craftsmanship on display highlights not only the builder's physical prowess, but also his deep understanding of traditional techniques and structural integrity, using locally sourced wood and natural insulation. we follow a craftsman as he continues to build his tiny cabin in the woods, all by hand. First, he carefully frames the windows with wood and skillfully installs them into the log walls of the structure. Each frame is reinforced, and insulation is stuffed into the gaps around it. Moving on to the roof, the craftsman places a series of sturdy logs on top of the structure to form the main roof frame. Notably, he leaves space for a skylight, which is both aesthetic and functional, allowing natural light to filter into the house. The whole process demonstrates not only physical strength, but also a deep knowledge of survival skills and structural design. The result is a solid, weatherproof, and cozy living space, and built entirely from natural and recycled materials, with meticulous attention to insulation and comfort. In this chapter of the cabin's construction, we witness an incredible level of skill and precision as the mason turns his attention to the interior details. The first major task is to install the custom-designed fireplace door. He carefully fits it into place, making sure every part fits tightly. For structural support, he builds a natural stone perimeter wall, layers it securely, and seals the gaps with mortar. He then installs a high-temperature glass panel, allowing the fire to be seen while still providing safety. To ensure an airtight seal, he uses a special gasket along the seams, an essential detail for maintaining thermal efficiency and controlling smoke, ensuring it will be stable and durable. The highlight of the whole process is the incredible attention to detail of the builder, demonstrating his dedication to creating a cozy, functional, and sustainable living space. All materials are carefully selected to blend in with nature, creating a rustic yet comfortable house in the middle of the green forest. we follow the builder as he painstakingly installs a handcrafted wooden door into the thick wooden walls of the cabin. Using a drill and screws, he secures the door frame tightly, ensuring it can withstand the weight and movement of natural wood over time. A special feature is the unique door handle, made from a naturally curved tree branch. This personal touch adds a sense of authenticity and harmony to the structure. The builder focuses on insulation, an important step in preparing the cabin for the harsh winter ahead. He carefully stuffs soft insulation, whether wool, flax, or even moss, into every visible gap between the logs and around the door frame. This not only blocks out cold drafts, but also adds an organic feel to the structure, emphasizing the use of sustainable and traditional techniques. Another thoughtful addition, he installs what looks like a built-in cabinet or second insulated door. This reflects his keen attention to thermal efficiency and space optimization. Every nail, thread, and piece of wood has been carefully placed, making the house not only functional but also truly livable. The finished log house, now covered in a fresh coat of snow, is the perfect symbol of preparedness and resilience, a cozy winter retreat. Thanks for following along, and we hope you enjoyed this glimpse into self-sufficiency and timeless craftsmanship.